All right, so I've been seeing a lot about these Evo style MR roof spoilers or vortex generators on the boards and on some of the YouTube sites. And on some of the Facebook sites. So we're gonna do a little test here. Got a bunch of little pieces of yarn that they should show us what's going on with the airflow down the back window. So we're gonna do a couple of runs. Gonna run it up to 50 miles an hour. I've just got the vortex generator mounted with, test mounted with some blue tape, and we're going to see what happens. Hopefully we should see these pieces of yarn should look a little bit more organized with the vortex generator on. So here we go, run number one with vortex generator.